This is the third match now between Khan's team and Nadir Khan's team, the two seniors most. This is the first ball now being bowled by Haroon, and this was a wide. So we've started just. That was a good shot, but that has been stopped. Good fielding by Mushtaq. Third ball coming up now, and it's a very good shot, but with no success. Mushtaq Ahmed stops again, and this is something. Oh, that's bowled! That's bowled, and that's out. It was a very good delivery by Yunus Khan, and he gets the big wicket of Shah Buland Khan, who is a stalwart when it comes to batting for this team. Imran Khan now comes out, and that's a wide. It was a bit faster as well, ripped in, and so yeah, that was a very good shot, and well stopped by Mushtaq. That was a dot. This is the last ball. I think the last ball coming up now, and that's been played well, but there would be no run, and it's a dot. It was a bit of mix-up between the two batsmen. Mushtaq has bowled this delivery well, and that was a single from Abbas. Couldn't record it properly because of some technical issues, but this is the third ball coming up for Mushtaq over, and this has been a dot. Bamboozled him totally, and it's a challenge between these two. They're always after each other, these two guys, Imran and Mushtaq. So that was played well, and this may be a six. Yeah, it's a boundary. It's a six from Imran. So the ball coming up now, and that's played well for a single goal. So that was a very good shot, but that's a run out. Nawab Bhai now comes, and that was a dot. No run in this over so far. That's a wide. So this balance is out now. It's one ball, one run in this over so far. Second delivery coming up. That's been played well. Got under it well, but couldn't get it over the top, because this is a ground where you need to hit it straight. So anything here and there wouldn't benefit you. So you need to play it straight. That's played well. Now again, it's a dot, because it would have been very risky if we would have been taking it. So that's another dot. It's a very good over so far from Nawab, and still waiting for a run in this over so far. So that's also a dot now. He pushes him back, and now Zahir Shah comes into ball, and Imran is facing. That's the first delivery coming up. As I said previously as well, you need to play it straight to have some success, and that was a very good, sharp turn from Zahir Shah. So this is now two deliveries, no run in this over. Goes out, dancing shoes on, and that should be out. The fourth delivery of this over coming up, no run so far in this over. Very good over so far. That's a sharp turn, which turns it into a wide. So still three deliveries remaining in this over. That was played well, but it will only be a single. So four deliveries have been bowled and two runs in this over. It's a fifth delivery coming up. That was played well again, but I mean, that's the problem here. You need to play it straight. Anything here and there, and it's the fifth over coming up now. And that was played well. That was very good shot, and that's out. That's out, 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 out. That's out. That was very good throw by Haroon. What he has for us, that was played well, but will only be a single. Yeah, so that was only a singles too. So haven't seen any big boundaries so far from this team. I mean we have, but not much. And they need boundaries. They need it desperately so that they can both go to the pitch of it. And that was smashed. This is a single now. 26 in 5 overs so far. That was also played well, but no run. That's a dot. This is the last over, and they need runs. So that was a wide. Oh, that's played well, but would be no run again. So the third ball coming up now, and that's played well. That's a very good catch from Mushtaq. He gets rid of Imran. And that's also played well, but without any success. Oh, that's a very good shot, a touch shot from Haroon. Zahir Shah, nicknamed Sherdil, comes in now, and that would have been a wide if we hadn't put a bat to it. So 1 over 4 runs, and this is the first ball of the second over that was, which was played well, and that's out. First wicket goes down. Shafi now comes out to the bat, and I mean we have been missing his blitz so far. So that was a very good effort by the opposing team, and that was a very good ball. He hasn't been himself of late, so that was a very good shot. That was up and over, and it went all the way to the 6. Again, that's a very good shot. Right in front of it, and he smacks it down. That's missed by a margin, and that's a wide. 4 overs and 13 runs in this over so far. And that's a wide again. So it's 14 runs now, 4 deliveries. Oh, that's a dot. He wanted to smash it again, but missed it completely. That's again a good shot. That's a very good shot. Up and over. And that has been smashed. Very good shot. And it's the end of the over now. And that's the win. That he wins it. He wins it for his team, Shafi. And we weren't aware of it, but at the end, that has been a very good win by this team. And we say goodbye to you.